Okay, everybody. Thanks for being with Ethan and Ben's YouTube channel. So today we're gonna have Ethan open up this Ryan's toy review. It's just says unlock surprises. It says super surprise safe, 53 pieces.
What?
Yeah. Let's just get at it. Let's start doing it. It's got a key and everything to it. Here.
Yeah, got everything to it. Everything we need.
Everything you need. Let's get this part
Got
out.
it.
Okay.
Okay. Got it. Now we gotta use the scissors, everyone. Yeah, we want scissors. Scissors are dangerous.
There you go.
Got key fobs now.
Oh, the key. All right. Yep. We need to use the scissors to get the key out.
I don't know why, but this doesn't do anything.
You got to do it this way so we know. So
Let's
they can
unlock
see.
it. Hold on.
Can't unlock it, huh? Maybe that doesn't do anything. Did it open? Yep. Do it that. Unlock it. Nope. The way you had it. There you go. Oh. What?
What?
There's 3 boxes in there.
Unlock the key. So that. Let's open our first one.
Number 1. Here, let's put this over here.
It says reach in here. I didn't open one of them. My dad's opening one.
Good job. All right,
Gus.
just open it up. Let's see what happens.
What's this?
Looks like glitter. Hold on.
Supposed to make someone?
It says push to reveal. Oh. Push down the pieces. Oh my goodness. We got some stickers.
We got a little action figure, which I don't know what this is.
Nope.
And I don't know what to do.
A hammer. We're gonna have to do that. Is that it? That's it. I wonder if we're gonna have to do something with the hammer later.
Yeah. So let in the comments below, Ryan. What do we do with this hammer? Do we like do some? Do you do something with fish?
I don't know. We got some stickers. We got some glitter and some stickers.
And a hammer like this.
I don't know what this is.
Ryan, tell us in the
Ooze
comments.
making pot. This makes ooze.
What does that even
Like
mean?
slime. It makes slime. All right.
We're making slime, guys.
Let's
That's slime.
Box 2.
Box 2. Moving on to box 2. Wow, this is big.
Show them the box.
Box 2, it says. Let's see what's inside here, everyone.
Smash and surprise. What?
Looks
You
like
use
this
that?
hammer does this.
Yeah, smash in these little areas with the question mark. Do it too hard. I don't want to break something. Oh, I'll let you do it. Rings? Little rings? What? A yellow ring.
Nothing.
And a green ring. And an orange ring.
Hold on.
No, just keep opening it. Oh, what's that do? This looks like it says you're supposed to like do that.
Astronaut guy. It looks like you can take this off, kind of.
Careful.
Maybe.
astronaut guy.
What's this? Oh, karate.
Oh, karate stickers? Is that Ryan?
Yep.
Ryan, you have a sticker.
Yeah.
Not too hard.
But it's 7 minutes.
There you go.
Oh, very cool, Ryan.
Oh, those I think are like decoding type glasses. They're secret message glasses. That looks like it's it for that one. Okay.
What's that sound?
Box number 3. Hey, guess what? This says you're supposed to use your glasses on this box. Put your glasses on. Does that do something? What's it doing?
Question mark number 1. All 2, 3.
Start with number 1 then. Let's see what number 1 is.
Number 1. Right here. And what is this?
Looks like you put something together. Some sort of guy. Oh.
Let
Yeah.
me do it.
I'll let you do it, alright. And he's got a key
Maybe a key to play a video game.
to the safe. Is this key to the safe? Is there something in here? No. Nothing in there.
Wait.
Okay. So that's everything in number 4. Oh, look, you got Gus. Here's the ones you can get. You get 4 different kinds. Who did you get? That's not Gus. It's this guy. Put your glasses on. You need a glass. See, on the back here, guys, you can look at it with your glasses and see which character you got.
I wish I got Gus, but I got Shark Guy.
You got that guy? What's his name? Here, can I see the glasses? Let's see if I can figure out his name. Is there a name on it? It's, nope. Doesn't say a name, but you got that guy. Okay. Guess what? You're not done.
What?
Look what that says. Number 4. There's something inside the actual box. I don't know if you can see it, but it says number 4 right there.
It says number 4 back there.
Pull that down. See what happens. Whoa! What? Look, a little secret door came. A surprise! I don't know if you're supposed to do that.
It says treasure.
Oh, and you got, this looks like Ryan Money, maybe. Ryan's World Money?
Ryan's World Money?
I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll open it up.
Oh. We'll open it up and show you how much money it is.
Whoa, is that a gold bar? It looks like a gold bar.
Go looking ball.
Super, super treasure going on in there. That's really cool. Look, I think you can lock that. Maybe that's what this key is for. Look.
I don't need.
So, put that back up, and then you put this key in here. Take that down.
So I don't need the sticker.
So look, that goes up, and if you take put the key in there, show the people at home.
Look at this, everyone.
Maybe go around there, yeah.
Watch this. So it's up, down, up. We can hide secret stuff.
That's a cool secret safe.
Down. Love that. Love this. Thanks, Dad. Just to let you know, this is $50.
Whoa, I can't remember, somewhere around there. Wow, so you got, look.
Wait,
So you
is
got,
that actually money?
you know, it looks like it's treasure though. You got treasure,
Let's open it.
and then, so I wonder if that's treasure, you make the ooze, you make some ooze, some goop, and then you can put these kind of things in the treasure, in the ooze, and then you have to go explore for it and get it with your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see how much dollars I have to line the wall. Daddy, you can buy
Yep, that makes goo. And then of course we got this sprinklers or glitter
just for the goo.
and lots of stickers. Cool. Well, this is pretty neat. You can open up that and see what's in there.
See how much money I have.
See how much Ryan money you got.
Maybe $100 actually. I got $100 to Lion. Woo! I'll be thankful for Lion. Got one.
Show 'em.
Okay, I got $20 on that. 1, 2, 3.
A $5 bill now. You got 3 $1 bills, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have $8, 8, 10, and $20.
Oh boy.
I think that's $100 for that. Wait, that is this $100 for all of these.
Let's see. So you got,
20 cards too.
I think you're probably pretty close to $100. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8. 108 Ryan dollars.
I knew it!
What can you get with Ryan dollars?
Let's build one more thing.
Let's put all this together and show everybody what you got. That's a lot of stuff. That's pretty cool. Gold bar for a treasure, and then you got all this treasure. That's pretty awesome. Put that back over here so we can show everybody. What do you think? Is this pretty cool?
Yes.
Let's lay it back down. We'll come show everybody it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's super cool. Okay. I hope you like it. Peace out.
Let's see what we got here first. Wow, look at all that Ryan money and treasure and the safe. You see the little secret keyhole that's up there. Right there.
The cool sunglasses too. And the key in the box.
Would you give this a thumbs up? You like this toy? The Ryan's Toy Review
And if you get this, you get
Super Surprise Safe
If you get this, you get $108
in Ryan money.
and Lion money. I think.
Do you think you can buy something real with Ryan money?
Yeah.
Well, that'd be
Wait,
pretty
is
cool.
this real Lion money?
It's not real money. It's real Ryan money because Ryan's face is on it. Maybe you should ask Ryan if we can spend that somewhere.
Lion, can we spend that like at Target?
Because maybe he'll comment below. Say, if you get this, Ryan.
Is this comments below if this is real money, Lion? If this is, I love you.
Okay. Tell everybody bye and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
What do you say? Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Peace out.